Life can be tough. We all feel lost sometimes. It's easy to compare ourselves to others. We see their successes, their perfect photos. We forget everyone struggles. Everyone has flaws. Self-acceptance means embracing all of you, the good and the bad. It means accepting your past mistakes. It means loving yourself even when it's hard. Why is this important? Because when you accept yourself, you unlock your true potential. You stop hiding. You start living. This is your journey. Be brave enough to be you. Self-acceptance doesn't mean being perfect. It means embracing your flaws. Those imperfections make you unique. They tell your story. Think about a time you made a mistake. Maybe you said the wrong thing. Maybe you failed a test. It hurt, right? We're often our own harshest critics. But everyone makes mistakes. It's part of learning and growing. Instead of dwelling on the negative, try to learn from it. What can you do differently next time? Remember, you are not your mistakes. You are worthy of love and acceptance just as you are. We all have that voice in our head. It's the one that seems to come out of nowhere, especially when we're feeling vulnerable or uncertain. It often strikes when we least expect it, catching us off guard. The one that whispers doubts, making us question our every move. It plants seeds of uncertainty, making us second-guess our decisions and actions. The one that tells us we're not good enough, that we can't achieve our dreams. That's your inner critic, always ready to bring you down. It thrives on our insecurities and magnifies our fears. This voice can be loud, overpowering even the most confident thoughts. It can drown out positivity and make us feel overwhelmed. It can make you doubt yourself, your abilities, and your worth. It can paralyze you with fear and prevent you from taking action. But here's the good news. You don't have to listen to it. You have the power to change the narrative. You can take control and shift your mindset. You can choose to challenge those negative thoughts. Start by acknowledging them, but don't let them control you. Recognize their presence, but don't give them power. When you hear a negative thought, ask yourself, is this really true? Often these thoughts are exaggerated or completely unfounded. They are distortions of reality. Would I say this to a friend? If the answer is no, then why say it to yourself? Treat yourself with the same kindness and empathy you would offer to a loved one. The answer is probably no. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to others. Be your own best friend and supporter. So why say it to yourself? Instead, practice self-compassion and positive self-talk. Speak to yourself with love and encouragement. Replace those negative thoughts with positive ones. Write down affirmations. Remind yourself of your worth. Surround yourself with positive messages and reminders. Remind yourself of your strengths. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a victory. Every achievement is a testament to your resilience and capability. The past can hold us back. It can be a heavy burden that we carry with us, affecting our present and future. The weight of past experiences can be overwhelming, making it difficult to move forward. Past mistakes, hurts, and regrets can weigh us down. They can create a cloud of negativity that follows us everywhere we go. This cloud can obscure our vision, making it hard to see the possibilities that lie ahead. But forgiveness can set us free. It can lift that cloud and allow us to see the sunshine again. Forgiveness is like a breath of fresh air, clearing the fog and bringing clarity to our lives. Forgiving yourself is essential for self-acceptance. It's about recognizing that you are human, and that making mistakes is part of the journey. Self-forgiveness is a crucial step towards healing and personal growth. It means letting go of the past and moving forward. It means not letting your past define who you are today. Embracing the present allows you to create a new narrative for your life. It means acknowledging your mistakes without letting them define you. Forgiveness isn't easy. It requires courage and strength. It involves facing your past head-on and making peace with it. It takes time and effort. It's a process that involves patience and self-compassion. You must be gentle with yourself as you navigate this journey. Start by acknowledging the hurt. Recognize the pain that your past actions have caused you and others. This recognition is the first step towards healing. Allow yourself to feel the pain. It's okay to cry and to grieve for the mistakes you've made. Embracing your emotions is a vital part of the healing process. Then, choose to let go. Make a conscious decision to release the hold that your past has on you. This decision is empowering and liberating. Release the anger, the guilt, the shame. Let them flow away like a river carrying away debris. Visualize these emotions being washed away, leaving you feeling lighter and freer. Remember, you've learned from your mistakes. You're growing and evolving. Each experience has shaped you into who you are today. Embrace the lessons learned and use them to build a better future. Forgive yourself and embrace the present moment. Live fully in the now, free from the chains of the past. Allow yourself to experience the joy and peace that come with self-forgiveness. Our society often promotes unrealistic beauty standards. Airbrushed images and perfect bodies flood the media. It's easy to feel insecure about our own appearance. But true beauty comes from within. It comes from self-acceptance. It means embracing your body, flaws and all. Focus on the things you love about yourself. Maybe it's your smile, your eyes, or your sense of humor. Celebrate your unique qualities. Treat your body with kindness. Nourish it with healthy food. Move your body in ways that feel good. Celebrating your strengths. Recognizing your unique gifts. Everyone has strengths. Things they're naturally good at. Things that make them feel confident and capable. What are your strengths? Maybe you're a great listener. Maybe you're creative or organized. Identify your strengths and celebrate them. Don't downplay your accomplishments or dismiss your talents. Use your strengths to your advantage. Pursue your passions. Help others. When you focus on your strengths, you build self-esteem and feel more confident in who you are. The joy of small victories. Acknowledging your progress. Self-acceptance is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of continuous growth and self-discovery. Don't get discouraged if you don't feel self-accepting overnight. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Did you challenge a negative thought? Did you try something new? Did you forgive yourself for a past mistake? These are all steps in the right direction. Acknowledge your progress no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Cultivating self-compassion. Treating yourself with kindness. Imagine a friend came to you feeling down on themselves. What would you say? You'd probably offer words of encouragement and support. You'd treat them with kindness and understanding. Why not treat yourself the same way? Self-compassion means being kind to yourself, especially when you're struggling. It means treating yourself with the same love and care you would offer a close friend. When you're feeling down, acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Offer yourself words of comfort and support. Remind yourself that you're doing the best you can. Your journey to self-acceptance, a lifelong adventure. This journey is not just a fleeting moment or a single achievement. It's a continuous process that evolves with every experience and every challenge you face. Each step you take, each obstacle you overcome, adds to the rich tapestry of your life. Self-acceptance is a lifelong journey. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to look within. It's about understanding who you are at your core and being at peace with that person. This means taking the time to reflect, to journal, and to connect with others who support and uplift you. It's a commitment to embracing all parts of yourself, the good and the bad. This means acknowledging your strengths and celebrating them, but also recognizing your flaws and learning to love them too. Through practices like meditation and yoga, you can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and compassion. It's about recognizing your worthiness and loving yourself unconditionally. This unconditional love is the foundation upon which you build your confidence and resilience. When you place your hand on your heart and smile, you affirm your own value and importance in this world. This journey won't always be easy. There will be moments of doubt, times when you feel overwhelmed, and days when you question your path. These moments are natural and part of the process. They test your resolve and push you to grow stronger. There will be challenges and setbacks. These obstacles are not meant to deter you, but to strengthen your resolve and teach you valuable lessons about yourself. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to become more resilient, but the rewards are immeasurable. The joy of truly knowing and accepting yourself is unparalleled. It brings a sense of freedom and authenticity that is deeply fulfilling. Celebrating your victories, no matter how small, reinforces your progress and boosts your confidence. When you accept yourself, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. You begin to see opportunities where you once saw limitations, and you start to believe in your potential. The world becomes a more vibrant and welcoming place, full of potential and promise. You'll find the courage to pursue your dreams. You'll build stronger relationships. These connections will be based on mutual respect and understanding, as you attract people who appreciate you for who you truly are. Sharing your journey with others can create bonds that are both deep and meaningful, and you'll experience a level of peace and happiness you never thought possible. So embrace the journey. Celebrate your uniqueness. Every step you take towards self-acceptance is a step towards a more fulfilling life. Each moment of joy, each instance of peace, adds to the richness of your experience, and never stop believing in the power of self-acceptance. It is the key to unlocking your true potential and living a life that is rich with meaning and joy. Your journey is unique, and every step you take brings you closer to the person you are meant to be.